Hey everyone, welcome to Learning Tableau 10.5. My name is Govindacharya, and I work as a principal analyst at the University of California, Davis. It's near Sacramento, which is the capital of California. I've been using Tableau for probably a little over 10 years now, and I've seen its evolution to a powerful BI platform that everyone should learn in order to get further in their careers. Besides turning data into pictures in my everyday job, I'm also a very slow but very dedicated hardcore cyclist, and I'm active in promoting human rights around the world. You can reach me on Twitter, LinkedIn, or GitHub at the following usernames that you see on the screen. So why are we doing this course? Because Tableau is becoming the standard in data visualizations. Its platform is easy to use, but allows quite advanced abilities through a variety of calculated fields. Its ability to mash data in a variety of formats is second to none. Now in 10.5, there are further enhancements that make formatting your dashboards even easier. The course is intended to be comprehensive, but for the beginner user in Tableau. In the first section, we're going to do the following. We're going to introduce Tableau and do an overview of the different versions of Tableau. We're going to install Tableau Desktop on our computer, and then we're going to review the Tableau help and online resources. In the second section, we're going to talk about the Tableau user interface. We're going to delve into Tableau file types. We're going to get an understanding of the green and blue pills, which if you took this course, you'll know what I'm talking about. We're going to talk about working with available data sources, and then we're going to connect to Excel, text files, and SQL Server. And then we'll discuss working with extracts instead of live connections. In the next section after that, we're going to discuss and learn all about the Excel data interpreter. We're going to delve into the metadata and then how to share data source connections. We're going to be filtering data from the data source itself. And we're going to learn how to split fields. And finally, we're going to talk about pivoting data in your Tableau data source. In the fourth section, we're going to discuss the Show Me feature, crosstabs, heat maps, bar charts, stacked bar charts, pie charts, line charts, area charts, packed bubbles, tree maps, scatter plots, and a basic map. Section 5 is going to be all about calculations, the types of calculations, the mechanics of basic calculations. We're going to get into string calculations, Boolean calculations, if-then, case statement calculations, date calculations. We're going to learn the differences between aggregations and disaggregations, and we're going to have a video on using calculations to add insights to your visualizations. In the following section, we're going to really do a deep dive into mapping in Tableau. It's kind of cool because we have a piece of software that will not only do regular visualizations, but also offer some pretty strong GIS, Geographic Information Systems capabilities. We're going to do a standard map view. We're going to figure out how to deal with map errors because ironically, that's always some of the biggest issues and hurdles around doing mapping in Tableau. We're going to customize the standard map view, and we're going to use filters in maps. In the next section, we're going to introduce dashboards and stories, dashboard actions, formatting basics, workbook level formatting, and assembling your dashboards into a story. In the final section, we're going to get into focusing on the narrative. We're going to have strategic use of color. We're going to understand the importance of using tooltips for your audience. We're going to talk about parameters and how to focus the audience attention using parameters. We're going to remove clutter from your dashboard, and then we're going to have a quick study on how to export your dashboard to another file type. So, what are the prerequisites to this course? The answer is none. Well, you need to have a computer that can run Tableau Desktop. And of course, you need your own copy of Tableau. And I'm going to teach you how to actually get that copy. But as long as you can have a computer, a Windows or Mac computer that can install Tableau, you can actually take the course. Other than that, there are no prerequisites. Once that's taken care of, and once you've taken the course, you will be able to connect data with Tableau and understand the available data sources. You're going to be able to know all about data blending and incorporating data sources into your visualizations. You're going to learn how to make interactive charts. You're going to learn the different calculations in Tableau and how you can use calculations to leverage them in your visualizations. We're going to get into mapping and geocoding with Tableau. We're going to learn how to build dashboards and create visualizations in Tableau. So this is a really good opportunity for you to get the basics of Tableau, but also have what you need to be able to carry forward to a more advanced level. And I really hope you join me for this class. I had a great time designing this class and presenting the class to you, and I hope you have as much of a good time taking the course and enjoying the content here. I hope to see you soon. Bye.